damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibin'. Riding in my car ain't stunning. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money. But niggas be thinking I'm childish.
Cari crew. I just picked the camera up, like I said, man, trying to be consistent. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video, just vlogging. I don't even know if this video gonna get posted, but it's a nice day outside, as y'all can see. As y'all can see, man, we in the Scat, aka Olivia, you know what I'm saying? I probably ain't gonna do too much talking, man. Y'all just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way. Riding with the window down a little bit, man. A little bit further down than usual. You know what I'm saying? My Fed watch it going on. But yeah. Appreciate y'all for all the love, man. All the new subscribers, man. We hit 6K, Cari crew. Appreciate all the support, man. Trying to hit the 7K this month, man. Trying to get the 7K this month. You know what I'm saying? It's my birthday month, by the way. You know what I'm saying? October is my birthday month. You feel my birthday coming up in less than 2 weeks. You feel me? I'll probably post on my birthday or whatever video right around my birthday. I'll say the date or whatever like that. But right now, I ain't talking about that right now. But yeah, Cari crew, man. Y'all, like I said, just like the video. I really ain't got too much to say, man. I ain't trying to, whatever. I ain't got that much gas either. You feel me? Y'all can see I ain't got that much gas. I got 65 miles to eat. Finna grab me something to eat, but we finna go straight into sport mode. You know what I'm saying? I might ride it in manual. Hopefully my hat don't fall off. I don't ride my window this low at all. That's just not my thing, bro. I be thinking somebody gonna throw something. I feel like somebody gonna throw something at me. For no reason. I always feel like that any car I drive. I just feel like I'm too vulnerable. You know what I'm saying? My window low like that. People that ride with their window all the way down, like Mustang rider, y'all be on your window all the way down all the time, bro. Somebody gonna throw some tomatoes at you and you gonna be like, oh, what up? Nah, but I don't know why. Don't call me weird, but that's just how I used to think sometimes. It just feel like it's just my face too exposed. You know what I'm saying? This one alright. But this one right here, I don't like that much all the way down, man. But you can hear the car slightly better when the window down, okay. Well, more down, but you ain't gotta go all the way down. But this about the furthest you need to go. Got my face still protected, you know what I'm saying? But it's down enough to where y'all can hear. There ain't nothing going on right now, so cut the camera back on when the light turn green. Light just turned green 10 seconds later, literally. Put that thing in manual, full manual. My bad, I know y'all like to see the road. I don't know how that wind is, but it's windy to me. I'm gonna let the back window down just a little bit. Or I can let it down the same amount. Yeah. See what's really going on. Just listen to the downshift car group. What screen y'all want to see, man? I don't know. I don't know what screen. I don't really even be looking at these performance screens like that. But I don't know what home look like. We'll leave that right there. You know what I'm saying? See what that horsepower talking about. I'll put it on there slowly, you know what I'm saying? See what See what that mother talking about. See what Olivia talking about, man. Hold on, y'all. That's barely any throttle. That lady looked over. That lady looked over so crazy. I'm doing it with no gas, by the way. I think I'm capping. Nigga ain't got no gas, folks. Look at that. Ain't got no gas, man. But consistent Cari in the building, man. Consistent Cari in the building, man. I will get it by any means. I ain't gonna say by any means. Well, let me not change myself, but you know what I'm saying? Do the most that I can do, man, with what I got, you feel me? Cause I really want this YouTube, man. I really want it, man. I ain't gonna lie, it's been a dream of mine for years, bro. Like, even before I even thought about started doing it, I just thought it was cool, man. But Downshifts go stupid, though. Sport, by the way. Sport goes stupid, bro. Track even more better, but I ain't trying to burn all my gas in one time. Bro, when that jump bounce off other cars, bro, that jump ain't crazy. Don't forget we in manual mode, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Straight manual mode, by the way. Just looking at folks. Cari crew, man. Cari crew, if I had a Hellcat dog, that wine, I wouldn't even have to talk. Cause folks just love Hellcat POV, bro. See, with Scatpack, folks don't know the difference, bro. We gotta work 10 times harder versus niggas that got a cat. Cause they ain't even gotta talk. People just wanna hear the whine. I just be wanna hear the whine. Look at 12, look at 12, look at 12. Ooh, 12 way over there, chilling. Look at 12. Over there chilling. Over there chilling. I ain't coming back this way. You know, I'm finna take the long way to the crib. Can't even do that. Even though I ain't doing nothing, but you probably need to hear me because this car loud when you get behind it. When it's coming to you, you can't really hear it like that. This is in the neighborhood. Alright, here, man. You're here now. Switching in traffic, man. I ain't gonna lie, I like POVs. The POVs in the nighttime cool, bro, but the daytime POV, bro, that jump just hit so different, man. You hit different, Cari crew, ain't gonna cap. That shift, bro, it shifts so hard. Like, you can hear you can like just feel the diff, bro. Just listen to that echo, cuz. Let me chill out here. Hey, somewhere. I'm like Olivia is loud, bro. Olivia is loud. No cap. Oh, definitely loud. You got the way, play, but you might slow down. You might slow down with your back window all the way down. know what I'm saying? On my way to grab me something to eat. You feel me? Some of these videos gonna be professional. Some of these videos just gonna be off the dome. Some of these videos just gonna be raw. No homo, you know what I'm saying? But, you know what I'm saying? Some of them just gonna be raw and uncut. We got a Dodge dealership over there. But yeah, car crew, that's gonna be a wrap, man. It's a broke down Mustang over there. Huh? Yeah, car crew, that's gonna pretty much wrap up this little quick little vlog, man. I ain't gonna really give y'all too much of an outro, man. I'm just recording right now. But make sure y'all stay tuned, hit that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna shorten it up this time, but hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way. And make sure y'all stay safe out in these streets, man. Keep God first, man, for all my religious folks. And yeah, man, chase your dreams, really, you know what I'm saying? The same thing I always say, man, chase your dreams. Keep doing it, man. I promise you, it seems like it won't happen until it happens, car crew. It seems like it won't happen until it happens, man. So the only thing I can say is do not give up, bro. Do not give up. What you gonna do, man? Look at the rear view, man. Look at them stripes. Man, don't give up, car crew. And one thing you can't do, especially when it's something that take time, you know that take time to build, to be successful. You know what I'm saying? It always take time to be successful with everything. Like, everybody get blessed, you know what I'm saying? They can just do something that just, you know what I'm saying, real quick, like, you know what I'm saying? They blow up and they install. But people like me, you know what I'm saying? You gotta work a little harder. But there ain't nothing wrong with that. Cause who don't? Who don't gotta work hard, man? But yeah, car crew, man. That gonna be a wrap, like I said. Make sure y'all stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Pete the Carpet Poppin'. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all stay tuned, man. And I'm finna just be dropping daily. We'll try to drop, not daily, but you know what I'm saying? Several times a week, man. At least two to three times a week, man. You know what I'm saying? Certain videos. But yeah, car crew, I'm just really all over the place. I don't really know too much to say, man. I really literally just picked the camera and just started doing something. I wasn't even planning on doing it. I was gonna listen to music and just vibe, you know what I'm saying? But every time I watch my boy's channel, man, the boy drop a new video, you know what I'm saying, it motivated me to drop a video like, man, let me keep going, you know what I'm saying? I ain't doing nothing. Why not? You know what I'm saying? I gotta keep that drive and that hustle, man. Something I really want, car crew, and I will get it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just keep showing me love. Keep hitting that like button. Keep coming. Keep subscribing, man. On the road to 10K, man. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. But like I said on the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.